So, grade 7, how are you all? Good morning to you. So, it's 4th October and Sunday today. We'll start with lesson 1.6, multiply integers. Dana, will you quickly say me the last lessons, what we studied? We studied about what? Yes, Dana? What did we study about in the last lessons? Last lessons, what did we study about? Hello, hear me?
Yes.
Yeah. Can you just briefly say me? Now I am teaching you today multiply integers. What did we study in our last lessons? What was the last lesson name? We studied about, yes, others. Judy, can you tell me? Today I will start with 1.6, multiply integers. Before starting multiplying integers, I need to know what did we learn in our last week class? What did we study?
Add and subtract.
Or add? Yes, you all know how now to, you all know how to add integers, adding integers. You have learned about this. And then
Yes.
you learned about subtracting integers. You all know how to subtract integers, right? Each one of you, you all know very well about adding and subtracting integers. Who will tell me what were the rules applied? What did I say you about the rules for adding integers or subtracting? Opposite signs? Opposite sign.
It's the opposite sign, you subtract.
Who is this?
No.
Opposite sign, you will minus it. You will minus it. Okay? And then if they are same sign, what am I going to do? I will
Plus.
plus. Okay? What was the important rule? Take the sign of the
Bigger number.
bigger value, right? This is what I've taught you. Opposite sign, you will minus it. Same sign, you will plus it. And when you write the answer, you will take the sign of the bigger value. You write the sign of the bigger value. This is what I've taught you in adding and subtracting integers. Give me one example. Give me any example. Minus 8, minus 2. Yes, Zishan, are you here with me? Your mic is not working. Okay, how about Noor? Noor bin Mahfouz, is your mic there?
Yeah.
Miss?
What is minus 8 and minus 2, Noor?
Minus 10.
Very good, excellent. Because minus sign, I need to add, both are minus, same sign, I need to plus it, and then I take a sign of bigger value. Miral, are you there? Miral, are you there?
Yes.
Yes, tell me, Miral. Minus 9 plus 2, they are opposite sign. What do I have to do? Do I need to minus it or plus it?
We're gonna plus it, but we're gonna put the sign minus.
See here, if there are opposite sign, what I am doing?
Minus.
So are they same sign or opposite sign?
Opposite.
So what do I have to do? I need to minus it. Okay, Amirai? If you see opposite sign, never plus it. When they are not same, they will never love each other. They will always fight. That means negative. You will minus it, okay? So what is 9 minus 2?
7.
7. And what is the sign? You told me from before. I'll put the sign minus because the bigger number is minus. Do you get this?
Yes.
Okay. Now, this is what, because now your quiz on Thursday, you'll have mostly questions like this, girls. If you know the basic, if you know this, you will get full marks, inshallah.
Yes, the quiz is not
Practicing once again. Daily 5 to 10 minutes, I will practice with you now till Thursday. And then I will continue my lesson, okay?
No, Miss, it's not on Thursday, it's on Tuesday, science.
Sorry, yes, it's Tuesday. We have Thursday science, correct. So we just have one day tomorrow. So I will be just practicing with you. Tomorrow, inshallah, better I just keep revision class. I don't teach you the new lesson. All right?
Yes.
So now, what is in multiplication? In multiplication, everything is same. Opposite sign, you will put a minus sign. If it is same sign, you need to multiply. Anyhow, you need to multiply. Only thing is this third what do you call rule? Take the sign of the bigger number, we will not do. This rule here, we will not apply. This rule here, we will not apply in this one. We will not apply, okay? We will not take the sign of the bigger value in multiplication. That's why, girls, please, with a pen or pencil, please note it down. Note it down here, girls. With pen or pencil, please note it down so that you remember in multiplication, we do not or we don't take the value of the bigger number. We do not, or I will just put it. We don't take the value of the bigger number. Do you get this? This is very important, girls. In multiplication, we don't take the value of the bigger number. I will teach you why I'm saying this. I will teach you. But at least write there somewhere that in multiplication, we don't take the value of the bigger number. That doesn't mean that I take value of smaller number. I will teach you what do we take. In multiplication, we don't take the value of the bigger number. Please, did you all note it down?
Yes.
Okay, let me start now. Let me start the lesson now. All right. Yeah. It's a very simple lesson. That's fine. Maybe like 80% of the lesson, I can finish it today. It's very simple lesson. If you know the multiplication. Now, before I do page 40, I want to do page 41 because that is more simpler. Turn to page 41. Please, whenever I'm doing, write the date there. Write the date there, okay? Now you're good. First question, question number 8. Please see that how I do it. Now, this dot, do you see this dot? That means it is times. That means it is times. Even sometimes they don't give you the dot, girls. They just give you like this. -7 and -2. They give you like this. So that means it is multiplication. This dot, it means it is multiplication, okay? Okay, now see. First thing, just multiply. You know this is multiplication. There is no plus sign, there is no minus sign. That means it is 7 times 2. What is the answer? 7 times
14.
What is the answer?
14.
14. Now, minus and minus, minus and minus, 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 what is it? When I say minus, minus, is it positive or is it negative?
Positive.
Positive. Simple. Your answer is positive 14. Even if you don't write positive, if you just write 14, that is understood. Don't take the sign of the bigger number. In multiplication, we will not take the sign of the bigger number. Did you understand? Did you understand this, girls? You will not take the sign of the bigger number in
Bigger number.
multiplication. Who's this asking me? No. Zishan, you don't understand? Zishan, simple. Just multiply. Remember this. I will just write here the rule. Wait a second. I'll write here the rule. Remember, in multiplication, you just remember this. That minus and minus, my answer will be plus. Plus and plus, my answer will be plus. If minus and plus opposite sign, my answer will come as minus. I'll put a minus sign. If positive and negative opposite sign, my answer will always come in minus. This is in multiplication. Multiplication means there is a dot. If you want, you can just write it there somewhere so that remember. Okay. So this is minus minus. What is minus minus? Plus, positive. So I got positive and I got 14. Now here, 7 times 13. You don't know what is 7 times 13. Let me do it. It's 21. Am I correct? 91. Am I correct? 91.
Yes.
Tell me the sign, girls. One is positive and one is negative. One is positive and the other is negative. What is the answer? It will come in minus.
Negative.
Don't see the bigger number, girls. I again say you don't see the bigger number. 6 times 8. What is it? 48. Be perfect in the timetable. 6 times 8 is 48. Zishan, one is minus, the other is plus. Simple. Opposite sign, just put a minus sign. Same sign, put a plus sign. That's it. Now here you see a opposite sign. One is minus, the other is plus. The answer has to be in minus. Did you copy this till here? Did you write it in the book, girls?
Yes.
Can I go to the D part?
Yes.
Let me erase it first. Allah. Okay, when I go to D here, who will tell me 1 times 1, what is it? Yes, Dana? 1 times 1, what is it?
1.
1. And if it is same, what do I have to put? Minus and minus. What do I have to put here?
Plus.
Plus or nothing. If you want to put plus, or even if you write the answer as 1, that's correct. Okay? Did you get the concept of multiplying integers?
Yes.
Now here. That's what they are saying you. The question is minus 3 times 10. Minus 3 times minus 10. So 3 times 10 is 30. Minus and minus is plus. Girls, don't go with all this stuff. Don't go with additive inverse, zero property, nothing, girls. Just if you know this is enough. Don't get confused by these, looking at these examples. All right? Go with this method, the simplest one, and it is the best method. Okay?
Yes.
Now let us get back to page number 40 and let us read this question. Noor, can you read this question for me here? A race car game.
A race car game takes 6 points from a player each time the player hits a cone. What integer represents the change in total points if the player hits
Okay.
10 cones?
They told how many points? They told 6 points. They told about 6 points. So it's 10 times. A race car game takes 6 points. It's not saying that it gave 6 points. It takes away 6 points.
Minus.
Means is it minus or plus?
Minus.
Minus, because somebody takes away your 6 points. So you need to here minus sign. So I put here minus sign, minus 6. Who's gonna say me this? Yes, Noor? 10 times 6 is how much?
60.
60. And simple, when you see,
minus 60.
yeah, don't go with the bigger value, you will just put the opposite, you will put a,
Opposite.
the change in total points is minus 60. This is your answer. Don't you think it's very easy?
Yeah.
Yes.
Now, could the product of a positive integer and a negative integer be positive? Girls, if the product of positive and negative, can it be positive? Can it be positive? If one positive integer and the negative integer, can the multiplication be positive? No,
Yes.
it cannot be. Okay. Now let us go to the other page now. Yes. We have done this page. Now turn to page number 42. When multiplying two integers, the sign of the product depends on the sign of the factors. If the sign of the factors are the same, the product is positive. If the signs of the factors are different, the product is negative. I taught you this, right? 4 times 5 is 20. Opposite sign, you'll put a minus sign. Right? I taught you this, you know. Now, these writing part, I'm not gonna make you write. The last one, explain why the product of the two negative integers is not negative. You don't need to explanation, I'm not making you do. Now tell me, is the product 22 times 5 and 22 times minus 5, is it the same, girls? Is the answer same for both of them? 22 times minus 5 and minus 5 times 22, is it same?
No. Yes, I mean yes.
Yes, because it is a commutative property. 22 times minus 5 or minus 5 times 22. It has to be the same. Now let us go with represent 2 times minus 3, girls. 2 times minus 3. Simple. What is 2 times minus 3 first, Sammy? It's minus 6. Start from minus 6 till here from 0. What is the answer? 2 times minus 3? Minus 6, right? They are asking me to represent. So I just represent here and then I write down that 2 times minus 3 equals minus 6. Okay?
Yes.
Understood?
Yes.
It's very easy.
Yeah, you just, if you need to put this arrows, I think. Is Majduleen there with me?
Yeah.
Thank you for attending my class, Majduleen. Majduleen, question number 6, can you solve with me?
Okay.
Of these product is negative. In which of these answers you get a negative answer? Tell me. First one, do you get negative answer?
No.
Second one?
Yes.
Very good. Third one?
Yes.
No, because 0 time anything is a 0.
Oh, 0.
Can never be negative. This one 15 time minus 5,
Yes.
minus 8 time minus 9.
No. No.
Very good. Excellent, Mastudin. You understood my lesson, alhamdulillah. I thought I'm going fast, but alhamdulillah, you all got it. Stop me if you don't. Now, Dana. Dana? Is Dana
Yes.
with me?
Yes. Yes, I'm here.
Yes, Dana. First one, A. What is the answer? Tell me, Dana. 9 times 4. What is the answer? Or 4 times 9? Quick. 4 times 9. Hello?
36.
Louder.
36.
Please be loud.
Minus 36.
36, okay. Don't take the value of the bigger number. Say, if it is same, it will be plus 36. Because the both are same, I need to put plus. Because this is multiplication, Dana. You need to see whether the sign are same, you will put plus here. If the sign are opposite, you will put minus here. This is what happens in multiplication, okay?
Okay.
Okay, Dana? Miral, can you solve the B1 to me? 12 times 7. 7 times 2 is 14. 7 times 1 is 7 and plus 1, 84. Yes, Miral, tell me the answer. I solved half of the question for you. 7 times 12, it's 84. I put 84 here. Tell me what sign it has to be here. Minus, very good. Because opposite signs, you will just put minus. You will not take the value of the bigger number. You will just see opposite and you will put minus. Very good, Yamiral. Next, Dana, tell me this one. 8 times 8.
Plus 64.
64. And their opposite sign. So what I'll put here?
Plus.
Yeah, Dana, minus. Opposite sign can never be plus here. Opposite sign will be minus here. If it is same sign, it will be plus here. See question number A, because they were same sign, I put plus 36. Now here it is opposite sign, so I will put minus 64. Okay, Dana?
Okay.
Judy, last question, 15 times 9. 9 times
Minus.
5 is 45. 9 times 1, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 135. Both are positive here, Dana. So, sorry, Judy, what is the answer?
Plus 135.
Yes. Okay, clear?
Yes.
Everyone? Any confusions?
No.
No.
Shall I erase the answers? Did you all write the answers?
Miss,
Huh?
I have a question in number
Yes.
B.
Yes, Dana.
Is it 84?
Hmm?
Is it the answer of number B 84?
Yes, it is minus 84. Why minus 84? Because one is negative and the other is positive.
Positive.
When it is opposite sign, in multiplication, your answer will be minus.
Miss, and in number D, what
D,
is the
both are
sign?
positive. Same sign, always you get positive. You can see for positive, it's not important for me to write here plus sign. It is understood that this is plus 135. Okay?
Okay.
Now next. A game show contestant starts a game. A game show contestant starts a game by answering 2 questions incorrectly. Okay? He answered 2 questions incorrectly. I'll just write 2 here. And then each incorrect answer cost $600. So it will be 2 times. It will be 2 times 600 because one question cost 600 each means 1. So 2 questions, how much dollars? 2 times 600 is $1,200. There is no negative sign, so the answer is positive. Okay?
Okay. Okay.
Okay. Go to the next page, 43. Page number 43. Come on, practice it one by one. Let me start with Ishan. I know you cannot, but please type and say if you can. 6 times 2, what is it? Six times 2. Yeah, she wrote here for me. It's 12. What will the sign be here? Positive 12 or negative 12? Positive 12 plus 12 or minus 12, Yazishan? She is not writing.
Plus 12.
1 second. Very good, Yazishan. Alhamdulillah, even she understood. It has to be plus 12. You can even write 12. That's understood. Okay? Now here. Next question. Next question for Judy. 4 times 8 minus 8. Question number 10. What is the answer?
32.
4 times 8 is 32.
Yes.
So what is the sign?
Negative.
Negative, minus 32. Very good. Now here, next question for Noor. Noor?
Minus 35.
Very good. Minus 35. Now here, Miral? Question number 12. What's the answer? Five times 2.
Could I say?
Miral? Hello, Miral, are you there?
Yeah, I'm there.
What's the answer? 2 times 5 or 5 times 2?
10.
10. Sorry. What's the sign I should put here?
Minus.
Very good. Minus 10. Don't see the number, bigger number. Just see opposite, it will be minus. Dana.
Yes.
Yes. Question number 13. What is the answer?
Plus 20,
Very good. Plus.
plus 24.
Excellent. Majdaleen.
Yes.
See the question. 5 times 2. This is the toughest question, Majdaleen. I don't know why did I give you, but yes, I gave you.
5 times 2 equals 10.
See, you first try to do 5 times 9 or 5 times 2. Anything you can choose. You can choose here anything. You can choose 5 times 2. That's easy. Tell me 5 times minus 2 is how much? 5 times minus 2 is how much? Minus?
Minus 10.
Yeah. You have minus 10 and you have minus 9. So what is the answer?
90.
Plus 90 or minus 90?
Plus 90.
What?
Plus 90.
Louder, Majduleen.
Plus 90.
Plus 90. Excellent. Guys, this type of question, did you understand with 3 numbers? Everyone?
Yes.
Dana, did you get this?
Yeah.
Yes, Dana, did you understand this?
No.
See, choose or just choose the first 2 numbers, solve it. Then take the answer and do it with the third number. Like see 5 times 9. What is 5 times 9? See, imagine your question is only this. Imagine your question is only this. I did with 2 because it's easy for me. 5 times minus 9 is minus 45. What is left? Minus 2. When I multiply 45 and 2,
What about the sign?
1 minute, yeah. Which sign? See, that's what 5 times minus 9 is minus 45. Then 45 and 2, when I multiply, I get 90. And minus, minus 45 and minus 2, both are negative. That means I get a positive 90. I got a positive 90. Understand now, Dana, or you want me to explain again?
I understand now.
Like example, let me give you one more, Dana. See here. 3 times minus 4 times minus 2. Tell me the answer. First multiply these two, you get minus 12. Then times minus 2. 12 times 2 is 24. Both same sign, you get a positive sign. Now did you get this? All of you.
Yes.
Any questions? Stop me here. A football team lost the same number of yards on each 3 consecutive plays. In each 3 consecutive plays means when they were playing 3 times, they lost. And how many yards are there? They have shown here in the picture. How many yards, girls? How many yards are there? 6 yards. They played 3 times here. So what am I supposed to do? I'm just supposed to write here. I'm supposed to write here 3 times minus 3 times, because I lost. I'll write 6. No, better to put a dot. 6. It's this way, girls. So what is the answer? Minus 18. Because they lost in 3 plays, I put there minus 3. And how many yards? Why do I put multiplication? Because you all have to put a dot there. And then, how many yards it's given in the picture? 6. So your answer is minus 18. That's by this I finished my class today. Can I end my meeting, girls? Thank you so much. Any questions for the quiz when you're practicing? Please let me know, okay?
Okay.
Thank you so much.
Okay.